Hey everyone, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mini PCs that pack desktop power into the palm of your hand. If you're after performance, portability, and style all in one, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Apple Mac Mini. First up, we have the Apple Mac Mini. It's small, but it's a powerhouse that has won our hearts. This little beast, powered by M2 and M2 Pro chips, delivers top-notch performance. Whether you're using Office apps, browsing the web, or you're the type who says, I edit photos and videos, the Mac Mini handles it all with ease. It raced through our benchmark tests without breaking a sweat. As for the price, it's pretty reasonable considering the performance. Around $600 or $600. And if you're thinking, I don't need the latest and greatest, the M1 model will do, you can still find it occasionally, and it's a solid alternative at a lower price. But remember, this is an Apple device, so you're stepping into a closed ecosystem. And a heads up, there's not much room for tinkering here. It's ready to go right out of the box. Perfect for those who want something easy and hassle-free. Beelink U59. Next, we have our budget-friendly mini PC, the Beelink U59. If you're on a budget but still want decent performance, listen up. The Beelink U59 is perfect for basic tasks, browsing, office work, you name it. Sure, it's powered by the Intel Celeron N5E105, so don't expect top-tier specs. But it gets the job done. You've got options with the RAM, 8GB or 16GB, and there's also a SATA SSD for storage. Plus, there's room inside for a 2.5-inch drive if you need more space. And it comes with Windows 11, free of bloatware, so no unnecessary software, just what you need. Looking for an affordable, quality mini PC? The Beelink U59 has you covered. It even comes with dual HDMI and dual gigabit LAN ports. Perfect for presentations or setting up a firewall. Minisforum UM790 Pro. Now, let's step it up a notch. The Minisforum UM790 Pro. This mini PC is a beast for high-performance tasks like video editing and gaming. It's packed with an AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and AMD Radeon 780M graphics, making it top-tier in both CPU and GPU performance. Need more RAM? No problem. It comes with 32GB DDR5 RAM, but you can bump it up to 64G if you like. Plus, there's a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD for super fast storage. It's got plenty of connectivity options, is Visa mount compatible, and has an excellent cooling system. The design might be a bit plain, but it's all about functionality here. While it's priced in the mid-range, the features and performance you get make it worth every penny. Minisforum Neptune HX100G. Now, on to the Minisforum Neptune HX100G. Want to make a difference in demanding tasks like video editing? The Neptune HX100G won't let you down. It's powered by the same AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and Radeon 780M GPU, so it performed amazingly in our tests with gaming and 4K video editing. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, this mini PC offers superb real-world performance. It's a fantastic choice for any task that demands serious CPU and GPU power. Intel NUC 13 Pro. And finally, we have the latest member of Intel's legendary NUC series, the Intel NUC 13 Pro. This little powerhouse packs 13th gen Intel processors into classic NUC cases. Plus, it's equipped with Thunderbolt 4 and USB 3.2 ports, making it a connectivity star. The price range is broad. It starts with the Core i3 and goes up to the Core i7V Pro. It's a bare bone, so you'll need to add your own RAM, SSD, and peripherals. If you're the type who handles everything, even remote management, this device is for you. In our tests, it was much faster at multi-threaded tasks than its predecessors. But the best part? It's almost silent in operation. So, we've covered the best mini PCs today. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments and tell us which mini PC you're thinking of getting. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.